You right there, sitting down. Are you ready? Okay, so today we are going to be nature journaling. Just really quickly, some flowers. Fun stuff.
Black bees.
What did I just say? Okay, let's retry that now. Right in. It's a nature journaling show.
Whoa.
No. Right, and I'm going to trust you. What's the thing that? So first thing I'm going. Oh my goodness, there is ants. Okay. I'm not sitting in their home, so I think I should be safe. Oh my goodness, they're all over. Okay, well maybe we're gonna switch spots. We are going to be journaling some little poppies, and I just thought I'd share some cool things that I like to do to make the flowers stand out more on your nature journaling page. So let's go see what these flowers look like. So we've got our little flowers and our little bumblebees, and let's get journaling. And I'm gonna sketch the flower, and I'm doing this all in pen, so if I mess up, it's okay. Nature journaling doesn't have to be perfect. I sketch this flower right here. It's kind of at an angle. To make it kind of go out, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a box so that the flowers stand out more, but I'm going to draw some more flowers, so some of the flowers are coming out of the box and onto the page, so then your eye will go to the orange, and then the box will kind of like make it like fit really nicely on the page. I don't know what you would call that, but we're going to do that today. So let's find a different flower. I like this one right here, coming out a little bit from this angle. Technical difficulties. Da, 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 da. Exciting announcement. I created a nature journaling magazine. What? It's called the Junior Journalers Nature Magazine. I'm really excited about this. I mean, there's going to be lots of cool things in there. You'll get to meet a bunch of cool kids that like to nature journal and see a lot of journaling pages from junior journalers like you. So I hope you'll check it out. Links in the description. Bye. How cute this little one is. Let's sketch that. And what I'm gonna do, I'm going to select the box and then make this, take this little plant and put it in the corner of my box so it's coming out. That's the best way I can describe it. So now I'm gonna do another zoom in on the flower, but from a different angle this time, so I have like just some nice angles in this little box area right here, because I feel like it's missing something. So I'm gonna do one from straight on the side. Our little box kind of looks like. Well, that's not what it looks like, but this is what it is. We added that little box. We got some poppies from different angles. The one that looked like something ate out of it, and then I added this little poppy bush down there. What? Well, someone wants me to come see some roly-poly, so you're gonna come with me. Let's go. Here's a time lapse of me painting the California poppies, but I wanted to talk a little bit more on boxes. Boxes are really fun. They're a really fun way to make everything on your nature journaling page go really well together. Something that you can do, it's kind of like a little exercise. You can draw the box first and then wait to find something to fill it up with. Something I like to do is I like to make the little elements inside of the box flowing out of the box, so it makes it more cohesive and flowy with the page.
I forgot that.
Oh, it's Amazon package. I was like, what in the world? Who is singing? Daisy. Nope. Oh, so cute. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.